Hi everyone, this is Grant Wiley again at Draper, and we're here at the CEDIA Show 2021. Happy to see that it's been a better turnout than we were expecting. COVID's still in the fray. One of the products that we are showing at the show today is our Foundation LED video wall mount. This is a product that we designed for flat LED video wall installations to mount to a wall. We've incorporated a lot of really nice features in it for a single person installation. Some of the key features would be Z-axis adjustment to the entire video wall from the wall itself to take up inconsistencies of the wall itself. Hanger brackets, you can't really see, but they're behind here that allow you to hang the vertical rails onto this horizontal rail. Simple little things like keyhole slots in these mounting brackets so that the installer can hang those on a screw versus trying to hold them in place and put a screw in place. We provide alignment fixtures to align each vertical rail so that they perfectly match up to the bolt hole placement of the LED panels. And we also provide jack screws to align these vertically and alignment ticks on each one of these to be able to provide an easy sight level for laser levels or a string line. One of the nice features about the product that we came up with, and kind of the reason why we developed this product, is the fact that many of our customers were looking for trim that could be installed around an LED panel. And the challenge with installing the trim around the LED panel is, what do we attach to? Are we going to attach to a wall? Walls aren't flat. Are we going to attach to the LED panel? Well, they don't all have mounting holes. So when we decided that we wanted to offer a solution that offered a really nice, clean look to it with trim around the outside, we realized we really have to make the mount that goes behind the display that the trim would actually attach to. We're utilizing a trim attachment method that we've been using for many different products at Draper. And as you can see, I just installed that with one hand. So it's a quick and easy installation of the product, designed for one-person installation. Lots of key features. The brightest element to the entire thing, and you like that brightest element, is the fact that we offer a very almost perfect Z-axis alignment and X, Y, and Z-axis, so the displays will match up perfectly once installed. Again, my name is Grant Wiley. I'm with Draper. You can see more about the Foundation mount at www.draperinc.com.